Bonjour, French 1. This video is all about age, specifically asking how old someone is and telling how old someone is. Don't forget to repeat after me in the pauses, as well as make sure that you write all this down in your notes. So we start with asking how old someone is, with asking how old is he or how old is she. Now remember that il means he for a boy, elle means she for a girl. So if you want to ask how old is he, you would ask il a quel âge? But on the flip side, if you want to ask how old is she, you would ask elle a quel âge? And if you are talking directly to the person instead of about the person and you want to ask how old are you, you ask tu as quel âge? Then if you want to tell how old someone is, once again you have this dynamic between the he and the she. If you want to say that he is a certain age, you'll have to use il. Now there is a ... here for you to fill in the number. So for purposes of today, I'm going to use the example of says, which if you flip to the back of your paper, you'll remember that says is 16. So if you want to say he is 16 years old, you would say il a 16 ans. Realizing again that the actual word says is not here, I'm filling in an actual sample number of 16. If you, however, wanted to say that she is 16 years old, you would say elle a 16 ans. And if you wanted to say I am 16 years old, you would say j'ai 16 ans. So just for a quick example to show you how this would work in real life, if somebody wanted to ask about my daughter, Hannah, they would ask me something like, Hannah a quel âge? Or you could also say, elle a quel âge, if we'd been talking about Hannah for a while and I knew who the she was. And I would respond by telling you that elle a 12 ans, which means that Hannah has 12 years, as in Hannah is 12 years old. That's pretty much it for age.